Welcome to JH. Hey traders, if you're hunting for a HeroFX review to see if it's actually worth your hard-earned cash, you've landed in the right spot. Let's break down what they're offering besides a heroic-sounding name. HeroFX claims to let you trade everything from Forex and crypto to commodities and CFDs. They lure you in with low minimum deposits and leverage up to 1 to 500, because apparently, some people enjoy the thrill of losing money 500 times faster than usual. They also accept crypto deposits like Bitcoin and Tether, making it incredibly convenient to send your funds into the digital atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the red flags you should probably notice before your balance hits zero. Point number 1. They have absolutely no major regulation. We're talking zero oversight from the FCA, ASIC, or the CFTC. Essentially, your money is about as protected as a sandcastle in a hurricane. Point number 2, the withdrawal and transparency issues. Many traders have reported that getting their money back is a Herculean task, complicated by unclear fees and a support team that's likely as responsive as a brick wall. To wrap this mystery up, the company's actual location is a bit of a shell game, claiming to be in St. Lucia or the British Virgin Islands, while keeping the details suspiciously vague. It's a trust me, bro business model that many reviewers have labeled as high risk or flat out unreliable. My verdict? HeroFX has some shiny features like high leverage and easy crypto funding, but the lack of regulation and consistent service is a massive red flag. If you value financial safety, find a broker with a real license and better reviews. But hey, if you love living on the edge and gambling with your future, feel free to proceed. Just do it very cautiously. Thanks for watching.